Hey guys, Angel down here at Indian Motorcycle Tucson. We know you've really been enjoying the few videos we've shared with you about the big bore kit, so here's another one showing a couple of detailed components inside that kit.
All right, so I saw and heard the 116 accessory kit on the dyno. So can you walk me through what gets us to that point?
So first and foremost, all these parts combined is what takes that 111 to a 116, increases your horsepower by 20% and your torque by 15. Obviously we have two new cylinders, bigger bore cylinders. The magic kind of starts here with the new profile of the piston. So, I mean, obviously a 111 piston's got a flat dome. So the new 116 kit, to give us some more compression, to go from 9.5 to 1 to 11 to 1, we have these raised domes.
Oh, nice.
Still graphene, 2 millimeters longer than our old piston. Wrist pins and circlips come into pistons. They're all there for you. Then we move over to the new cams. So these are our stage 3 cams. So a higher lift, a longer duration, you know, so keep it open more, keep it open longer. These are different than our stage 2 cams.
Oh, gotcha.
They're way different. And when we did that, we had to come up with some new heavy duty valve springs just to make sure that we don't fatigue the stock valves. Then how do we get more air into the big motor, right?
Yeah.
So we came up with this new high flow manifold. You can see it's really nicely done inside, really clean, to match up with our new 60 millimeter throttle body.
Nice.
This thing is massive.
Yeah, it is.
In the kit as well is the brand new clutch springs. These are heavy duty springs, just to lock that pack up a little bit harder when you launch it.
Yep.
Also in the kit is all the gaskets, all the O-rings, everything you need to put this kit together.
Oh, it's great, and it takes all the guesswork out of trying to piece together a kit. It's one-stop shop. You get the box, you do the install, and then you go out and rip away.
Thanks for watching, guys. Of course, we're still taking deposits on the big bore kit.